Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the SquadAds app, a platform that claims you can earn real money just by watching ads and completing simple tasks. Sounds easy, right? But before you get too excited, there are a few serious concerns you should know about. Let's break it down. So, SquadAds promotes itself as a reward-based app where you can supposedly make money by engaging with ads. The idea seems harmless. You watch, you earn. But when you start digging deeper, things start to look a little off. The first and biggest issue that users are reporting is with withdrawals. Many people claim they've reached the minimum payout limit, but when they try to withdraw, the money never actually arrives. Some even say their accounts get flagged for verification and then stay stuck there indefinitely. Another huge red flag is the lack of customer support. Users say when they try to reach out for help, their messages go unanswered. No replies, no resolutions, just silence. That's not what you expect from a legitimate platform that's supposedly handling money. Then there's the privacy concern. The app reportedly asks for permissions like access to your contacts and text messages, which has nothing to do with watching ads. That raises serious questions about data security and what's really happening behind the scenes. And if you go to their website, squadads.com, you'll notice there's no About Us page, no company information, and no physical address listed. There's also no clear explanation of how the earnings are calculated or where the money comes from. Everything feels vague and incomplete. Adding to that, you won't find any verified reviews or mentions of SquadAds from trusted sources or social media pages. For an app that claims to have thousands of users, that's very strange. It feels like the creators put effort into making the site look modern and professional, but beyond the visuals, it's all smoke and mirrors. Some users have also mentioned being prompted to deposit $12 or more to unlock higher earnings. That's another major warning sign. Legit apps don't ask for money up front to pay you later. And when you combine that with reports of repetitive pending statuses and endless verification pop-ups, it's hard not to think it might be a stalling tactic. The bottom line is, SquadAds has too many red flags, from missing company details and unresponsive support to withdrawal issues and suspicious permissions. Without verified ownership or transparent privacy policy, it's risky to share your data or invest your time, let alone your money. If you've come across SquadAds or have been tempted to try it, my advice is to stay cautious. Apps like these often use the promise of easy money to lure people in, only to waste time or collect personal data. Always research before downloading. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.